Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Mercy and this is Freelance Culture. In this space, I talk about making money online, especially as a freelance writer. And work with me in this journey. Subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share with your friends, and spread the good news. In my previous video, I talked about how to write an article from start to finish, and then I came and talked about how to write a killer introduction. I was going to talk about how to write the body part, how to come up with the subtopics, and how to come up with the entire content, so in the body part. But you guys keep asking me questions about where to get clients, what do you guys need so that you can land these high paying clients. So I decided, let me do a video on what you guys want. So today I have decided I'm going to do a video on the 3 to 4 important things that you need to have before even bidding or pitching for jobs, so that you can land yourself high paying clients, or you can win the hearts of your clients. So without wasting time, let's get right into the video. So the first thing that you need to have is knowledge. Knowledge is very important. If you're a newbie, kindly learn fast. If you're going to learn through these mentors, or you are going to pay for someone to train you, you're going to watch these videos on YouTube like these ones, or you're going to learn, whichever way you are going to learn, just make sure you have the knowledge. So the second thing that you're going to need are samples. If you already have the knowledge, you can really write a sample, and these samples are very important because the client will want to see like you've done this before and you're confident that you can deliver. So make sure you impress the client with very good samples. You can choose to have 3 or 4 samples depending on what you want, and I would advise that these samples should be, let's say, from different niches. You can choose one from finance, you can choose one gardening, you can choose one from cooking. Just 3, just something that is catchy to you, so that when you see a job maybe on finance, you have you have the right samples for it. When you see something on gardening, you have the right sample for it. And again, the third thing backing up the samples is you must host your samples somewhere. I see that is really good, because I prefer sending client a link to my work instead of sending them a Word document or a Google Docs document. A Word document, first of all, doesn't satisfy that this is your work. It can be someone else's that you borrowed, so clients don't really trust. If you want to land high-paying clients, you really have to work hard and publish your samples somewhere. Clients trust samples that are published. They know it's your job, it's your work. So, and the only way as a newbie or someone who is really struggling to get clients, or even when you're intermediate and you need more clients, that is something that you need to have. There are many sites that can host your samples for free. One of them is WordPress. You just have to follow the steps and create an account with them, which is free. You can upgrade it sometimes later and make it your own site, so that they remove the word.wordpress.com and have it as your own website. Number 2 website that you can host your samples is Medium. I host mine with Medium it's been like more than a year, and it's really giving me. So there is Medium, and then there is even LinkedIn. LinkedIn is very good. I have some articles on LinkedIn, and I really use them. When I land clients on LinkedIn, it's not that I pitched even for them. They just Googled, maybe they just searched for someone who does content writing, and maybe my profile appeared, so they just come for me. That is how you get clients whom you don't even bid for jobs. So make sure you maximize the use of LinkedIn. I'm going to talk about LinkedIn more maybe in another video, because that is where I got my second client, and we're still working together until now. So make sure I post them on LinkedIn. Again, there is another site called Clippings.com. I used that once, when I was looking for clients from Reddit. I think Reddit, they specify where you host where you have your samples from. So it's very important that you have these portfolios. You just have to copy paste them. Just have to copy paste the link and give the client. You can go through all your work, and if the client is impressed, you've landed yourself a very good client. So the fourth thing that you need to have that is important too, it's now a proposal. This is not something like when you're applying for jobs from, maybe you're an economist like me. I just have to draft one sample that I'm going to change just the names of the organization because it's the same thing. When it comes to freelancing, that's different. Every client has different demands, so you have to fix somewhere. I recommend you, when you're writing a proposal, don't copy paste someone's work, don't use your previous work, just come up with another proposal. I just came to realize that every job advert or post is unique, and you're going to have unique proposal all the time. So I'll recommend that when you're writing a proposal, just write it from afresh and make sure you incorporate what the client wants, so that the client knows that you have what it takes. So those four things are very important: the knowledge, samples, this portfolio that you're going to host in different sites, anywhere, any site that you want, if it's LinkedIn, if it's Medium, if it's WordPress, Clippings, and many other more. You can Google and find them. It's upon you. And then the pitch or the proposal that you're going to write. Trust me, when you have those four things, you're not going to lack any work. You'll come and tell me. So if you have anything that you're going to add, kindly add them in the comment section. I'll be reading them, I'll be replying. If you have any question, you can ask me. From Freelance Culture, I have a new page on Instagram, that is Freelance Culture. You can go there, follow me, ask any question. You can give me a DM. Also on Facebook, I created a page, it's Freelance Culture again. Go there and check out what I usually post. This is the end of this video, and if you have any question, kindly ask from any of the platforms that I just mentioned. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and those who have subscribed, thank you for taking me to 300 subscribers now. I really appreciate your support. I really love you guys. And also thank you for watching this video until this far. If you've reached here, I really love you. Receive my love. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Kindly like, share, and enjoy. Goodbye.